Good morning friends. Today I welcomes you here and we'll talk about appreciation. When the people appreciate us for what we are or what we do, what they say about us is not truly about us. They actually reflects the qualities to be able to see nicely in us. It is their opinion about us, their perspective and is subject to change. Let us thank them for their gesture, but not get carried away or get addicted to appreciation. Your social media post got very few likes. Your boss did not recognize the efforts you put on a project over the weekend. Your family has rarely acknowledged your care and love for them. Do these factors demotivate you? Really? Do you sense a subtle but sure need for appreciation? Receiving compliment is one thing, but seeking it is completely another. Appreciation is subjective. It is subjective. One person might praise us while other can bring us down. So, getting addicted to praise can affect our life decisions. Right? It can affect our life decisions. We will constantly do the things to impress the people around us. Yes, surely. We will do lot of things to impress the people around us. Right? If the people started appreciating us, what we will do? We will do a lot of things to impress them. Right? So, when someone appreciates us, it reflects that person's beautiful personality to see the goodness in us. So, appreciation is more about them, not us. Not us. It is more about them, not us. This understanding helps us remaining stable and humble. It keeps our ego in check. Do not consume appreciation. Yes, I repeat, do not consume appreciation. So, instead say, thank you God and surrender the compliments to Him. Also humbly thank the person who was kind to praise you. Always remind yourself that you are a humble being and be an embodiment for that. Radiate love and care to everyone. Play our roles and responsibilities sincerely. When the people are happy with your qualities and your talent, they appreciate you. But you don't get affected or excited as you do what you do selflessly and not for recognition. You remain your authentic self. Each time you are being appreciated, immediately remind your mind that you are God's instrument. You were chosen to do it. Those peoples were destined to get it, and you were as fortunate to be a part of the scene, particular scene. You thank the God, surrender the praise to God, thank the people for the opportunity, and you also confess to the people that their appreciation is a reflection of their own goodness. It shows their nature to notice the goodness in others. Remain stable in appreciation. Do not expect it. I repeat, do not expect appreciation. Do not accept it for yourself. It does not affect you. Make you humility your natural way of living. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. See you in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day.